Let's make some chicken drumsticks in the air fryer. I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of yogurt. This is thick Greek yogurt, fat-free yogurt. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of freshly minced garlic, chopped coriander, or you can use parsley, lemon juice, black pepper, chili flakes, salt, coriander powder, kasuri methi, that's dried fenugreek leaves, everything. Add some cream. Mix it. I'm using chicken drumsticks here. I've got about 5 of those. And I add 2 tablespoons of oil. Coat the chicken really well into the marinade, and I'm gonna let it sit in the fridge for about 2 hours. Here's the chicken. It's been marinating for like 2-3 hours now in the fridge. So I'm gonna place it in the air fryer. The chicken is gonna go in the air fryer for about 15 to 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. I let these cook for about 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna flip these and I'm gonna cook them for another 10 minutes. It's ready.